Hello students, good morning. In this video we will discuss in the chapter that is basic principle of organic compound IUPAC name. So here IUPAC, this is the short form IUPAC. This IUPAC means International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Okay. So this International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, it was found in 1919. Okay, and it is widely accepted whole world. Okay, so here according in the IUPAC system, some rules are there, and according to IUPAC system, the organic compounds and their structures are assumed to be first, that is the longest chain. Second one, that is the branches, and third one, that is the functional group. Okay, म्हणजे आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे तर त्या स्ट्रक्चरला कुठल्या पॉइंट ऑफ व्ह्यू ने बघायचं आहे. एक नंबर तर त्याची लॉंगेस्ट चेन. ओके, and that longest chain, it is assumed to be, it is a derivative of parent alkene, alkene or alkyne, that is containing single bond, double bond and triple bond respectively. Okay, and then branches, alkyl group or branched alkyl group. Okay, so some types of branches, and next one, that is the most important, that is functional group. Okay, म्हणजे या ऑर्गॅनिक कंपाऊंडला आपल्याला या तीन पॉइंट ऑफ व्ह्यू ने बघायचं. After that, some rules are there. Okay, the first rule, that is whenever the organic compounds, while writing IUPAC name, consider it is the derivative of parent alkane, and the first 20 parents alkane are first, that is CH4. Okay, and this CH4, it means this is methane. This is called as methane. Then C2H6, this is called as ethane. Okay, next one C3H8. Here alkane having general molecular formula CnH2n plus 2. When n is equal to 1, then CH4, C1, 2 into 2, 2 plus 2, 4, that is CH4. And in the same way, that is C2H6 ethane, C3H8, this is propane, C4H10, this is butane. Okay, then C5H12, pentane, C6H14, hexane, C7H16, that is heptane, C8H18, octane, C9H20, nonane, and C10H22, that is called as decene. Then C11H24, C12H26, C13H28, C14, that is C14H30, C15H32, C16H34, C17H36, C18H38, C19H40, and C20H42. Okay, so this is called as a undecane. Then this is dodecane. This is tridecane, tetradecane, pentadecane, hexadecane, heptadecane, octadecane, nonadecane, and last one, that is called as icosane. This is called as icosane. Okay, so these are the alkanes, first 20 alkanes, and all organic compounds, they are assumed to be derivatives of the alkanes. Okay, so after this name of alkane, then some rules are there. First rule, that is the rule for writing, IUPAC rule for writing hydrocarbons, which is saturated hydrocarbon. And saturated, we know that saturated hydrocarbons means containing carbon-carbon single bond. Okay. And the containing carbon-carbon single bond, they are called as alkane. Yes. So, the first rule, select the longest continuous chain of carbon atom present in the organic compound or present in the given hydrocarbon. First, that is select longest continuous chain of carbon present in the given hydrocarbon. Okay. For example, here CH3, CH3, CH2, CH2, then CH2, CH3. Okay. So, this is one hydrocarbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not straight. It is a continuous and longest. And that's why the longest chain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So, this is the longest continuous chain of carbon atom. Okay. Then, second one, locate these carbon from one end to another end, and this is called as a locant number. When we locate from one end to another end, this carbon, saturated carbon atom, this is the open chain carbon atom, and it has two ends. Okay, and as it has two ends, and when we locate from one end to another end, there is a locant number. Okay. So, here when we locate or when we find the locant number, then give that carbon atom or locant number having the lowest possible number. Okay. In other words, if CH3, CH3, here CH2, 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 CH3. If such types of compound is there. Okay. Then locate this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, no, wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes, right. So here numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. How? Yes. Here this 1, 2, the second carbon atom, it is a locant, and here it contains CH3. It contains this alkyl group. Okay. So this alkyl group, it is bonded to this carbon, and which is the 2 number, which is at the 2 number from this side, and from this side 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So the lowest number is 2, and that's why this numbering is proper. So this is the alkyl group. So what is alkyl group? Alkyl group means it is the that is the bunch of, or that is the group of hydrogen and carbon, or having the general molecular formula CnH2n plus 1. Okay. Means from alkane, when one hydrogen atom it gets removed, then it is converted into the group, and the corresponding group, name of the corresponding group is obtained by replacing ending E by Ly. Alkyl. Okay. So here, for example, methane CH4. Okay. Minus one hydrogen atom having CH3, and name is METHYL, methyl. Okay. Then CH3CH2. This is obtained from ethane. So its name is ethyl. Then for 3 carbon atom, propyl, butyl, pentyl, hexyl, decyl, and so on. Okay, so this is the alkyl group. Next, third number, that is if two or more alkyl groups are present, different alkyl groups are present, then the numbering of the longest carbon atom present in the longest chain. If this group is present, but here C2H5 is group is present. Now, in the first way, here if this C2H5 group is not present, then here we numbering that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If C2H5 is present in this way, then the numbering is 1, 2, 1, 2. Local number is same from both sides. But here the ethyl group is present and this is methyl group. Arrange them alphabetically. First one is ethyl and then methyl. So the numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. 2 ethyl, then methyl. Okay. Next one. Fourth one. If two or more similar groups are present, then use di, tri, tetra, penta prefixes for 2, 3, 4 and 5 groups, similar groups. Okay. If two or more different groups are present, then arrange them alphabetically. Okay. And then here, if here numbers are present, two or more numbers, these two or more numbers, they are separated by the commas. And number and word, they are separated by this hyphen sign. Number and word it is separated by hyphen sign. And one thing is, remember that for each alkyl group, indicate each group by separate number. Means if here CH3, CH3 and then, okay, means here two alkyl group, two methyl group present on the same carbon atom. Then whatever the number of this carbon atom, suppose this carbon atom number is 3, then indicate each group by separate number. So here 3, then 3, 3, 3 dimethyl, whatever. Okay. So here indicate each group by separate number. If composite alkyl groups are present, means in this way, here CH3, C, CH3, H, CH2, here in this way. Then it is called as iso group. Okay. So here in the iso group in common name. Here it is called as methyl and this is propyl or isobutyl. Okay. But here CH3, CH, then CH3, CH, H and CH2. If this group is present on the longest continuous chain and this is the composite group. Okay. So if this group is present on the longest chain, then here numbering as a same, as a local number, here 1, 2. So 1, 2 dimethyl and this is for 4 butyl. So here the name of this alkyl group is 1, 2 dimethyl, then butyl and whatever the next one. Okay. So these are the some rules for hydrocarbons. From these rules, we have to write IUPAC name of some hydrocarbon. Okay. So here CH3, C, CH3, CH3, CH3. Then CH3, C, CH3, H, CH3, CH3, CH3. Okay. Then this is bond line structure. Here, here. Okay. And this. So the write down here IUPAC name of this. So the first 1, 2, 3 longest chain 1, 2, 3. Numbering 1, 2. Here 2. At the 2 carbon atom there are 2 methyl. So here 2 dimethyl propane. Okay. Next here 1, 2, 3, 4. So here numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 2 dimethyl and at the 3 again there is a 1 methyl. So 2, then 3 trimethyl and for 4 that is butane. Okay. Next here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. From both ends same. And as well as there is a methyl group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So at the 3 and 4 there are 2 methyl group. 3, 4 dimethyl. And for 6 this is hexane. The name is 3, 4 dimethyl hexane. Okay. Next this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And at the number 1, 2, 3. So the local number is 1, 2, 3, 4. So at the 2 there is a 2 methyl group. So 2 dimethyl. And for 1, 2, 3, 4 that is butane. Okay. So after watching this video, write the name of some hydrocarbons. First, name of alkane having 20 carbon. So the molecular formula C20H42. Write name of this alkene. Second, write the name of IUPAC name of CH3CCH2 CH3. Then CH3CH CH3 CH3. Then CH3CH3 CH2 CH3 C2H5 CH2 CH3.